In today's video, I'm going to teach you delete a text box. We'll walk through a few clear options in InDesign so you can remove a text box entirely, hide it temporarily, clear the text but keep the frame, or convert it into a non-text frame. I'll explain what each choice does so you can pick the one that best fits your layout. If you simply want the text box gone, start by selecting it with the selection tool, the black arrow. Click once on the frame so you see its bounding box and handles. That confirms the frame, not just the text inside, is selected. Then press delete on your keyboard. The frame and its contents are removed instantly. If you change your mind, use undo to bring it back. This option is best when you're certain the object isn't needed anymore. If you want to get it out of the way without deleting it, hide it temporarily. Place the text box on a separate layer so it's isolated from other items. Then open the layers panel and click the eye icon next to that layer to hide it. The frame and its text remain in your document but won't print or export while the layer is hidden. This is a great choice when you're testing different layout versions or collaborating and want to keep a backup on standby if you need to remove the text but keep the box for spacing or future content. Clear the text only. Switch to the type tool and select the text inside the frame. Press delete to remove the content, leaving the empty frame in place. The frame's size, position, and formatting remain exactly as they were, which helps preserve your layout flow when you're planning to reuse the container. Finally, if you want that container to stop behaving like a text frame altogether, convert it to a non-text frame. Select the text frame, then go to Object, choose Content, and pick Graphic or Unassigned. This changes the frame from a text container to a generic frame, so it won't accept typed characters. Choose Graphic if you expect to place an image in it later, or Unassigned if you just need a neutral placeholder for shapes, color blocks, or future assets. To recap, delete the frame to remove it completely, hide it on its own layer to keep it out of sight but recoverable, clear the text to preserve the box, and convert it to a non-text frame to repurpose the container. Pick the approach that matches your design goal, and your document will stay clean, flexible, and easy to manage.